let me tell you, the sounds in the Spanish alphabet, a lot of them are basically the same as in the English alphabet, only they're rearranged differently. And what I mean by that, for instance, their I sounds like R-E. See? Their I sounds like an E. And their E sounds like R-A. Their E sounds like this, A. And that kind of sounds like R-A. So the sounds are all there, they're just rearranged. See, they're just in disguise. So once you rewire your thinking a little bit to think in Spanish, the mystery will all just fade away. Because again, remember, language is nothing but a series of sound with meaning attached to it. That's it. Okay? That's it. If I say ah, you may not hear it as a, but a Spanish speaker would hear it, may hear it as a letter A. Because that's how they say it in their language. See? But for you, I might just be saying ah. See? So it's all about war. If I say E, my English thinking mind gonna say, oh, that person said an E. But a Spanish person thinking that same sound, E, oh, that person said I. See? So it's just rewiring your thinking. That's it. And attaching the correct meaning to it.